Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about t-test for two populations using Excel. The first case we are going to talk about is for equal variance, and I will just talk about a similar question that you have did in your tutorial class. Let's look at the question first. Well, it's that a tutor of a large unit collected the mid-semester exam marks from his 25 female students and 15 male students. These exam marks are assumed for two independent normal distributions, and the population variance are the same. Test at the 5% significant level whether there is a difference in the mean exam mark of the female and male student. Well, from this question, as we can see that the underlying assumption for the t-test for two populations has already been met. And the first step, I'd like to give in the non-hypothesis and alternative hypothesis here. Well, the non-hypothesis here is that there is no difference for the two groups exam marks. So which means mu1 is equal to mu2. And the alternative hypothesis is there is a difference for the two groups exam marks, but we do not know which one is better or which one is lower. So the alternative hypothesis is actually for two-tail, which means that the mu1 is not equal to mu2. And then we will do the Excel output. This one is actually just under the data analysis, so you don't need to the DAP. And it is for equal variance. And then you just do the input range. Here, I just click the label, so you need to tick the labels. And the hypothesis, the mean difference here is 0, which means you assume there is no difference. And the alpha refers to the significant level. Here it is 5%. Okay, and then you click the output range. So as you can see that the output has been in the H1. And we refer to the P for two-tail. Just like I have said, it is for two-tail test. Here the p-value for the two-tail is 0.67. So which means that as the p is greater than the significant level, so there is no sufficient evidence to reject the non-hypothesis, which means that there is no difference in the mean exam marks of the female and male student. That's all. Thank you.